Awiyaw and Lumnay is the couple of happiness. For several years, they lived with happiness, love, and goodness. They had it all to be a complete family, except for one thing. They don't have children. Due to their tradition, a man needs to have siblings, and it was already 7 harvests that Awiyaw and Lumnay been trying to birth children, but they couldn't. That's why Awiyaw needs to marry another woman to have children.
If you really don't hate me for the separation, go out and dance. One of the men will see you dance. Well, he will like you dancing. He will marry you. Who knows that with him, you will be luckier than you were with me.
I don't want any man. I don't want any other man.
You know very well that I don't want any other woman either. You know that, don't you? Lumnay, you know it, don't you?
Yes, I know.
My God, you can blame me. I have been a good husband to you.
Neither you can blame me.
You have been very good to me. You have been a good wife. I have nothing to say against you. It's only that a man must have a child. 7 harvests are just too long to wait. Yes, we have waited long. We should have another chance before it is too late for both of us.
You know that I have done my best. I have prayed to Kabunian much. I have sacrificed many chicken in my prayer.
Yes, I know.
You remember how angry you were once you come home from your work in the terrace because I butchered one of our pigs without your permission? I read it to appease Kabunian because like you, I wanted much to have a child. But what could I do?
Kabunian does not see fit for us to have a child. I came home because I did not find you among the dancers. Of course, I'm not forcing you to come if you don't want to join my wedding ceremony. I came to tell you that Madulimay, although I am marrying her, can never become as good as you are. She is not as strong in planting beans, not as fast in cleaning water jars, not as good in keeping house clean. You are one of the best wives in the whole village.
That has not done me any good, has it?
This house is yours. I built it for you. Make it your own. Leave it as long as you wish. I will build another house for Madulimay.
I have no need for a house. I go to my own house. My parents are old. They will need help in the planting of the beans, in the pounding of the rice.
I gave you the field that I dug out of the mountain during the first year of our marriage. You know, I did for you. You helped me to make it for the two of us.
I have no ask for any field. Go back to the dance. It's not right for you to be here. They will wonder who you are and Madulimay will not feel cool. Go back to the dance.
I'll feel better if you will come and dance for the last time. The gun has nothing.
You know, I can...
Lumnay, if I did this, it is because of my need for a child. You know that life is not worth living without a child. They have mocked me behind my back. You know that.
I know it. I will free the Kabunian. Will bless you and Madulimay. Awiyaw, my husband. I did everything to have a child. Look at me. Look at my body. And it was full of promise. It could dance. It could work fast in the field. It could climb the mountain pass. Even now, it is filled. Full, but Awiyaw, Kabunian never blessed me. Awiyaw, kabunian is cold to me. Awiyaw, I am useful. I must die.
It will not be well to die.
I don't care about the bills. I don't care about the house. I don't care for anything. But you, I'll never have another man.
You always think that.
I'll go back to my father. I'll die.
Then, you hate me. If you die, it means you hate me. You don't want me to have a child. You don't want my name to live on in our tribe. If I do not try a second time, it means I'll die. Nobody will get the pills I have curved out of the mountain. Nobody will come after me.
If you fail the second time, no, I don't want you to fail.
If I feel I came back to you, then both of us will die together. Both of us will vanish from the life of our tribe.
I'll keep my beats. Awiyaw, let me keep my beats.
You will keep the beats. They come from far outside. My grandmother said, they come from way up north, from the slant eyes, people across the sea. You keep them. Lumnay, they're worth 20 years.
I'll keep them because they stand of the love you have for me. I love you, and nothing